Hi everyone, and welcome to week 3 of Game Designer, specifically Video Game Designer. Okay, so at this point we have logged in to CS First and we got our username and password. We filled out the Google form, you shared your username and password with me, and I have contacted you to give you username and password so that you have it now and you can log in. Okay, so let's look at what is asked this week. We need to watch the Video Game Designer create your first Scratch game video, that's this, and then access CS First Google Class by going to this website. So I'm going to highlight that, put that in a new tab. Okay, sign in. So I want to sign in, and I'm going to click I'm a student. And I am returning. So username and password. I gave this to you. I reached out to you and gave this to you. If you did not have it, please email me as soon as possible so that we can figure out what's going on. Okay, so I have my username and password right here. I'm going to put that in there. And there we go. Okay. So I'm going to now click sign in. And you can opt to save if you would like, your choice. Okay, so it says last viewed right here, game design. I was working on activity 2 racing game. If I want to look at the entire curriculum, I'm going to click here on the blue button, game design. And if I scroll down, it looks like I was working on gaming story. I didn't finish it all the way, so I probably want to go back there and check that out. And it looks like I was working on racing game. So I'm just going to open, let's say I want to skip ahead. Let's say I want to go down here to quest game. Learn how to use storytelling in a video game design while building an RPG style quest game. I'm going to click on start and answer the questions on this page and click submit. There are no wrong answers. So I need to answer these if I want to get full credit. And then once I've answered all those, I'm going to click submit. And again, like before, introduction to the quest game, select a starter project. So it looks like there's 3 to choose from. So that's kind of exciting. I'm going to click on the second one. All right. Now it looks like I'm still logged into Scratch from the last time, but I'm going to show you what happens if you're not. So let's say I stick with starter project number 2. I go to Scratch, it opens it up, the starter project, and right here I can see that I'm not signed in. I want to make sure to sign in because that again is what's going to save my work. So I'm going to click sign in and make sure to click remix and then make sure to click share, because when you try to send me the link of your work or anything, I'm not going to be able to see what's going on. Okay, so this is a little bit different. I'm not sure if you've seen this, but they actually gave us a lot of already code created. So that is really wonderful. So I'm going to go here, watch the video. They're going to tell me what to do here. And then again, you can be as creative as you'd like. If you want to change out characters or anything, please let me know. If you are like maybe a little nervous, you want to add in a giant dinosaur, but you can't figure out, or you're not sure where to find it, I can help you out. Please just email me. But again, a lot of this is I want you to be as creative as you like, even though they are telling you step by step how to go through it. A lot of it is they want to show you how to write the code for it. And if you want to change your characters, more than well, just make sure you're school appropriate. Okay, so I wanted to show you this for a few reasons. I want you to know that you are welcome to go through your games and you don't have to go in order. So when you go to my classes and you see here that you have your 8 activities to complete, you don't have to go one by one. You can jump around, you can work on something. Please make sure you're always reaching out to me if you have any questions. If you want to send me links to your work, I'm loving that. Some people have already started doing that, which is really great. Also know I can see your progress. So if you are needing some help when you're trying, to explain it, we're going email to email, I can just log in through my teacher portal and see where maybe you're stuck on. Okay, so I'm hoping that you are having the most wonderful day, and I have to add this in. I almost forgot. Okay, so you are, you're done working on it. You're like, okay, I spent about 30 minutes. I think that's all that I feel like I want to give towards this week. And, I have a lot of other things going on. Okay, so we're going to fill out the number 3 game designer exit ticket Google form link below. So if you'll notice down here, it does say board game designer journal. That is for board game designer. I'm going to click on game designer exit ticket. And here I'm going to put my name. You'll notice it's already taking your email. You don't need to worry about that. I'm going to put in, whatever grade. And then please make sure you click on video game designer. I have to also bring this up. I know some people are doing both. That's completely up to you, but it's just one that's required, okay? You only have to do board game designer or video game designer. Not required to do both. So I'm going to click next. And it's going to ask me what game I'm working on. I'm actually working on the Quest game right now. What was your biggest challenge with creating your game this week? Answer in a complete sentence. And what are you most proud of from working on your game this week? You'll notice these are required questions. You'll click submit, and then you're done for this week. So I just want to say, I hope that you're doing really well. If you have any questions at all, please reach out, and enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, bye.